it's me again. And you're probably wondering, Lord have mercy, he doing another video. Well, I'm doing a taste test video. I'm hoping that this comes out right because this seems a little dark. Now, at the farmer's market, we had vendors out there. You know, lady was selling honey, which is always good for you, and they're selling vegetables, always good for you. And there was one lady that was selling baked goods. Oh, the cinnamon bun was excellent. But what really got my attention, and if some of you guys that know me know what it is, popcorn. Now, the company is called Sugar Bear Gourmet Popcorn. They're online, they're on their website, which is Sugar Bear Gourmet Popcorn. And the three of them that I am testing today is, one of them is Hoppin' Jalapeno. Which I'm going to taste test, as you see. Now, got the heat, but it's not a punch in your face kind of a heat. It's a slow heat. Lots of flavor. Lots. I give it 5. I'll give it 5 star. Because it's very flavorful. Now, the next one is Silly Dilly Pickle. Whoa. The dill and a vinegar, pow, right into your face. Which, if you like the classic kosher dill pickle, you will love this popcorn. I also give that 5 star. But my favorite is this. As you can see, there's not very much in this bag. It's the honey mustard. Now, let me get a little bit ahead today. Now, tell you, if you like honey mustard, I don't know why this keeps going dark on me. But if you like honey mustard, that's the one to get. I know I've rated all the other ones 5-star, but out of those three, that one's my favorite. I mean, they're all 5-star flavors, but the honey mustard is the top one, in my opinion. Now, they will be there next week, Saturday, hours 10 to 2, at the Investileria Farmers Market. Go there and try all the other flavors he has. He has 40, I think he told me 43 flavors. And he's working on some more. So, thumbs up on these. There's Thursday in Peace. I'm out of here. And, well, I'm going to go finish these bags of deliciousness. Bye! Hello, everyone. Well, now, I am also now going to be doing the sweet of the Sugar Bear Gourmet popcorn. As you can tell, I've been eating these pretty well recently, so this is the chocolate. Trying to get this so it'll, there we go. The chocolate. Now, the chocolate reminds me of Cocoa Pebbles. That's the taste I get from that. Now let me reach down here and get a... Whenever you do a taste test, you always have to have something to rinse your palate. Water. Always good to have something to do that. Now, the next one. Sorry, I'm having to grab over you guys, but I won't. Is this one is pina colada. It's got a yellowish tint to it, like, you know, like it should. It smells like it. I was just trying to get some of it out of here. Now the chocolate one, I give 4 out of 5 popcorn balls, I would say. Now here's the pina colada. I mean, it tastes like a pina colada. There's really nothing I can compare it to but to a pina colada. And I would say this is like a pina colada light. So I'd give it a 3 popcorn balls. The flavor could have been boosted up a little bit more. No. I am. No. Oddity. Now, here is the cherry cola. And you get a little bit of each one, because this one's got like 2, cherry and cola, so you try to get at least a little bit of each one into your hand. That hits it. I mean, it's got the bubbly taste of the cola. I don't know how he does that. Having to have a bubbly taste, but it does. And the cherry is in the background of it, like it should be. So I would give that 5 out of 5 popcorn balls. So that's my the sweet one. Of course, prior was the savory. So I'm gonna tell you guys, if you're ever out at the flea market, at the farmer's market, or the Carlisle Township Flea Market, that's where they're also located at, get their popcorn. It's worth it. Trust me. And if you buy 5 bags, you get the 6th one for free. I can't beat that. And until next time, bye-bye.